neighborhood, and there's gonna be some really grumpy pets unless the toys are found!
Man, oh man! That sounds terrible, Nature Cat! What can we do?
We might need some big-time help for this.
Hey, I don't know. Do you think this treasure map I just dug up might help?
Yes!
Bad Dog Bart must have left behind a map that shows where his stolen treasure is buried, and 3 different ways to get there! Hidden Falls has lots of underground We don't move right by tapping here. And jump by tapping. Move right and jump by tapping here. My little glowworm friend. My little glowworm friend. Glowworm friend! Let's stay away from wetness, shall we? That water is really wet! I wish I had avoided that. How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend! I wish I had avoided that. That water is really wet. How I love collecting glowworms. Let's stay away from wetness, shall we? And check out all the glowworms we collected along.
I love flashlights because they're so flashy and so lighty and all at the same time. Uh-oh, it looks like someone left all their equipment in the cave. Let's help them get it.
We need to find a helmet. Looks like we found a helmet. Let's try to find another one. We need to find a backpack. Looks like we found a backpack. Let's try to find another one. We need to find a hiking boot. Looks like we found a hiking boot. Let's try to find another one. We need to find a canteen. Looks like we found a canteen. Looks like you could cave hunt all day long. We need to find a first aid kit. Looks like we found a first aid kit. Let's do it again. We need to find a notebook. Looks like we found a notebook.
Great work! We found all the lost items and earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. Yippee!
That vault door needs 3 special keys.
Colossal Caves is a... Move right by tapping here. Move left by tap and jump by tap. Move right and jump by tap. My little glowworm friend. My little glowworm friend. How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend. My little glowworm friend. My little glowworm friend. didn't see that one. Ouch! That's a lot harder than it looks. Ouch! That's a lot harder than it looks. Let's try that again. Check out all the glowworms.
Here's a cool tool. Kinda looks like a paintbrush, and we can use it to brush away the dirt ever so slightly to uncover these really neat fossils.
Okay, first we'll show you. The next fossil you need to find is a trilobite. Hey, come on, fellow cave hunter. I need...
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a trilobite. There's no stopping you. Can you do it again? The next fossil you need to find is an ammonite.
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found an ammonite. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find...
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a brachiopod. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find is a fern.
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fern. There's no stopping you. Can you do it again? The next fossil you need to find is...
Glad I'm not scared of heights.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fish. Man, oh man, you're getting good at this. Here's another one. The next fossil you need...
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a shark's tooth.
Great job!
That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one.
Critter Cavern is filled with some of my favorites. Move right by tapping, move left and jump, move right and... How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms.
The Ozark one.
My little glowworm friend.
The coast.
How I love collecting glowworms.
Alabama.
Oh, didn't see that one. Oh, didn't see that one. How I love collecting glowworms. Oops, sorry little critter. My little glowworm friend.
The Bone Cave Harbor.
Oops, sorry little critter.